So most companies put their clothing in a rain room. We at Mission 14 and Under Armour decided to go one step beyond. I just finished climbing out of a 60-foot waterfall in Iceland in the early part of May with freezing cold water. And as you can see, lots of moisture going on out there. What I wanted to see was how dry is my outfit that I've designed here. So, as you can see, the inside, a little bit of moisture coming in through here, nothing major. That was a lot of pressure that was coming down. Overall, my suit is bone dry. True test, right here. iPhone 4, nice and dry, inside of a pocket. That's what I was really going out there to look for. Back of my neck, all dry. Hood got wet, but what I wanted to see was that nothing got wet on the inside of my garment. And I think we proved that beyond a shadow of a doubt.